Hi, and welcome to the informational video webinar series on the rules for certified child care centers. This is video number 13, covering the prevention of hazards, maintenance and sanitation, and fire prevention. My name is Rose Surkamp. I work for the Child Care Licensing Division as a licensing specialist in the North Portland unit. The Child Care Licensing Division hopes that you will find these videos informative and supportive in learning about the new Certified Child Care Center rule set. During each video in the series, we will explain some of the key features and highlights from the Certified Center rules. Another new aspect is that the rules have been organized differently to help make information easier to find. While we are highlighting many key features, changes, and new rules throughout this video series, the entire rule set will not be reviewed. Please refer to the Certified Child Care Center Rulebook for the full list of requirements and rules. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll review prevention and management of hazards. It starts with prevention. A certified child care center must ensure that all toxic or potentially dangerous items are stored in a manner that prevents use or access by children. This includes cleaning supplies and equipment, poisonous and toxic materials, and flammable and corrosive materials. Please note the phrase "under child safety lock" has been updated. There are several rules around the prevention and management of hazards to help ensure the safety and well-being of children in care. We'll review several key rules in this video. There are additional rules on this topic that will not be covered. Read all the requirements in the Prevention and Management of Hazards section in the rulebook. Toxic substances must be stored separately from medication, food service equipment, and food supplies, and must be inaccessible to children. Products including toxic substances must be stored and used according to the manufacturer's instructions, including not storing products near heat sources. Products must be stored in original labeled containers. Any smaller containers or solutions mixed by staff must be labeled with the contents of the container. Sanitizing and disinfecting solutions must be inaccessible to children. A certified child care center must take steps to prevent children's exposure to the following toxins if they exist on the premises. Protection from lead-based paint has been added to these rules. Any building or play structure constructed before 1978 that has peeling, flaking, chalking, or falling paint must be tested for lead. If lead-based paint is found, the center must contact the Oregon Health Authority within 5 working days and follow their required procedures for remediation of the lead hazard. Plumbing and fixtures containing lead or lead solders, asbestos, toxic mold, and other identified toxins or hazards. Staff must take responsibility to inspect the indoor and outdoor play areas and equipment daily for hazards such as missing parts or broken equipment, sharp edges, splinters, and trash, and ensure open containers of water used for children's play, such as water tables, are emptied immediately after use. Staff must also take responsibility to store diaper bags out of children's reach. A new rule has been added regarding personal items. Personal items belonging to staff members must be stored according to applicable rules. This includes purses that may contain medications or other items that must not be accessible to the children. A certified child care center must securely anchor large, heavy, or unstable objects such as furniture, televisions, bookcases, and wall cabinets into a wall stud with braces, brackets, anchors, or wall straps to prevent tipping over. Ensure children under the age of 3 years do not have access to items that have a diameter of 1¾ inches or less, such as disc batteries, coins, magnets, and toys and parts that may become detached from other equipment or objects. Ensure children under the age of 3 years do not have access to ties, long scarves, necklaces, and boas unless used during a structured learning activity where a staff member is within arm's reach. Maintain sandboxes in a sanitary manner. Ensure all plastic bags that are large enough to fit over a child's head are inaccessible to children. Additional requirements were added to ensure preventing access to bodies of water, pools, hot tubs. We will not go over these rules, so please ensure that you read through the Prevention and Management of Hazards section in the rulebook. Next, we will review maintenance and sanitation. A certified child care center must routinely clean, sanitize, and disinfect surfaces and objects that are frequently touched. Clean surfaces with a soap and water solution or spray cleaner and rinse before sanitizing or disinfecting. Floors must be cleaned by either sweeping or vacuuming at least once per day or more often as needed. A certified child care center must immediately clean up any spills of biocontaminants such as urine, feces, blood, saliva, nasal discharge, eye discharge, and other bodily fluids. Staff must use disposable non-porous gloves when handling biocontaminants. Non-food, non-hazardous items and items that do not cause offensive odors, such as paper towels, may be disposed of separately from garbage and waste inside the classroom in an uncovered container. A certified child care center must keep cloths, both single-use and multiple-use, used for wiping food spills on utensils and food contact surfaces, clean and use them for no other purpose. Cloths that are reused must be stored in a sanitizing solution between uses and disposed of or laundered daily. Now, we will review a new fire protection rule. A carbon monoxide alarm or detector shall be installed and tested in accordance with the manufacturer's recommended instructions and located in accordance with the applicable building codes. Thank you for watching this video in our informational series. You can now move on to the next video in this series. If you have any questions, please contact your licensing specialist. For more information, visit our website at www.oregon.gov/DELC.